practitioner operating in this mode listens to the image, responding to how it resists coherence, then guiding it toward a negotiated equilibrium rather than forcing symmetry. The work progresses through conversational adjustment, where every manipulation provokes a reaction that informs the next intervention. The resolution arrives not when the image looks complete, but when further interference would collapse the internal logic you've established. Completion is defined by behavioral stability, not surface polish, and the final composition stands as a self-regulating visual system that no longer requires your intervention to justify its existence.